So in the toilet we have switch for the shower drain pumps. In this case, this is draining with this switch, and this other showering room is draining as well with that switch, but it's important to change the valve which is situated underneath. Yes, that red valve, and we need to change it to drain the other compartment. This is the black water tank, and that is the valve. In this position it's open, in this position is closed, and everything stays in the black tank, and on the open waters you need to drain it.